In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add pauses in ElevenLabs effectively. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So, let's jump right in. Pauses are an essential part of speech. They can emphasize a point, create suspense, or simply give the listener a moment to absorb what's being said. ElevenLabs is a fantastic tool that lets you control how text is transformed into speech, and I'm going to show you two simple methods for adding pauses. The first method is what I call the slight pause. This is the easiest way to create a natural break in your text. All you need to do is type out your text and use an ellipsis, those three little dots. Yes, that's it. Just insert the ellipsis where you want to indicate a brief pause. For example, if you have a sentence like, "I really enjoyed the movie. It was thrilling." The ellipsis gives just the right amount of pause for emphasis. It's quick, easy, and effective for creating natural speech patterns. Now, if you're looking for a bit more control over the duration of your pauses, I've got a second method for you. This involves inserting a specific break command that allows you to customize exactly how long the pause should be. This method requires you to insert a tag into your text script where you want the silence to occur. The format is pretty straightforward. You would type something like this: break time 1.5s, right in your text. The 1.5s represents the length of the pause in seconds, and you can easily change that number to customize the length of your pause to fit your needs. For instance, if you want a shorter pause, you could change it to, or if you'd like a longer pause for dramatic effect, you could even go up to 2 seconds. It all depends on how you want it to sound. Once you've made these changes to your text, the next step is to generate the speech. After you've inserted your pauses, simply click the Generate Speech button. This will process the text, and you'll hear the exact pause duration reflected in your final audio. It's that simple. Experimenting with these pauses not only makes your speech sound more natural, but it also helps maintain the listener's attention. So don't hesitate to test out different lengths of pauses and see what works best for your content. And remember, whether you're conveying excitement, suspense, or simply giving your audience a moment to breathe, well-placed pauses can really enhance your message. So start practicing these techniques, and you'll be amazed at how much they elevate your audio projects. If you have any thoughts or questions about using pauses effectively in ElevenLabs, or if you have your tips to share, I'd love to hear them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we will dive